Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars, mini trucks, heroes, airplanes, etc. So now thank you for watching again. Now I will check and show you the interesting vehicle here. Now I put some water so we can see some parts of any cars here. Now I bring one and shake it. A nice bus. This is also a cute bus. You can see this bus can be an express bus. Mini helicopter. This is also a cute helicopter for me. Mini airplane. You can see a nice airplane here. Mobil truck. Mini airplane. This is a nice airplane, the most beautiful airplane. Yellow supercar. Monster truck. You can see this is a nice monster truck, a cute monster truck with best colors. Okay, everybody, let's move forward to see another truck. At the same time, I have to put some water first. Truck. Mini excavator. This is a cute excavator. Forklift. Mini crane. Red police car. About this one. A nice bulldozer. Another one. Another bulldozer. Nice bulldozer. Police car, yellow color. Everyone, let's move forward again so we can see another interesting truck contains lot of vehicle. Red car. This is a kind of off-road car. Mini airplane, green color. This is a cute airplane. Excavator, yellow excavator. Police car. Four-wheel super motorbike. mini airplane, a nice airplane. Logistic truck. This is a mini logistic truck here. Another four-wheel motorbike. Four-wheel motorbike, red color. Hero Captain America. This is an old Hero Captain America. A broken mini police car. How about this one? A logistic truck. Now check the last one. This is an express bus, yellow color. Very nice express bus. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.